बीए पार्ट सेकंड के विद्यार्थियों का ऑनलाइन क्लास में फिर से स्वागत। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैं विनीता चौधरी, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, इंग्लिश, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, सुजाना। Dear students, in the previous video, we talk about the summary of the third thoughts by E.V. Lucas. In today's video, we will talk about the 4 levels of the essay written by E.V. Lucas. So, let's start the video. First, we will talk about critical comprehension. This is the story told by the writer's friend. He is a small businessman who used to buy products at expensive prices and sold them to the very cheapest. He is a very idealistic person. One day he bought a drawing made by Turner. It is worth only 10 shillings. So the dealer and buyer are confused whether it is original or not. With the painting, he went to London and sold it for £50. He was so happy because it is a very high profit than he ever expected. After selling at a profit, he thought at first he decided to share 50% of his profit with the dealer. And he wrote a letter to the dealer. But having no stamp, he is unable to send the letter. After some time, he thought and decided to share the profit of only £10. Again he thought £10 is too much, and he decided to share only £5 of profit. Similarly, he again and again thought and decides to share only £1 of profit. And again he thought and goes to the club. There he spent all his money on gambling and lost all the money. Finally he thought, after buying anything, there is no relation between seller and buyer. Also, in business sector, everyone tries to get more and more profit. Through that type of his thoughts, he satisfied himself. So, प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये कहानी का एक ब्रीफ सी समरी थी, जिसमें बार बार वो ये सोचता है कि जब वो पेंटिंग के 50 पाउंड कलेक्ट करता है तो उसके मन में आइडिया आता है कि वो सेलर को इस पाउंड ये जो प्रॉफिट उसने गेन किया है उसका हाफ जो है वो उसको देगा। लेकिन बार बार जब वो बार बार ये चीज़ सोचता है तो अगेन एंड अगेन ही थॉट टू गिव some less and less money, but at last he thought that he will give only £1, but in the gambling he lost all the money, and then he satisfied himself by thinking that there is no relation between buyer and seller. तो प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये इस ऐसे की स्टोरी की एक समरी थी कि जब हम सोचते हैं, थर्ड थॉट मीन्स बार बार विचार आना, कि हम सोचते हैं कि वी विल डू दिस दिस एंड दिस, अगेन एंड अगेन when we think over it, our ideas are changed. So, now interpretation. The story presents the changing nature, the changing thoughts, the weaknesses of human beings. Shows impulsive, high emotional, idealistic nature of human being. In that situation, writer's friend is presented. Also, taught after buying anything, there is raw relation between buyer and seller. Also, it says to be a good businessman, we need tactical and reasonable thinking. Now, critical thinking. Some unsatisfied point after reading this text are: how is it possible for the businessman to buy goods expensive and selling them to the very cheapest? How can we believe that the selling man is not informed about their goods or products? Is it impossible to find such an idealistic person like the writer's friend in the business sector? So, these thoughts are coming into the mind of. Now, the fourth level, assimilation. Before reading this text, I used to think that it is not necessary to keep our thoughts constant. I don't care about my promises, but after this text, I know that we should make our thought constant and promises should be constant to be a good person as well as to be a good businessman. So, प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, this was a 4-level interpretation of the essay Third Thoughts. I hope you understand this question. In the next video, we will talk about a critical appreciation of the essay The Third Thoughts.